Now let's write x in terms of this one. Then let's find x. Now, looking at this one, the only thing out, or the only way out is to bring the power down. And we can only do that by taking log on both sides. Solution. So I'll take natural log on both sides. Okay. So that will be ln of x equals to x ln of n. So I would like to group the x on one side. So I will divide both sides by x. This one will cancel. Ln of x over x equals to ln of n. Okay, so I can write my left hand side in a linear form as x to the power minus 1. Okay, now when we have situation like this, you can only compute with the help of Lambert's W function. So let's observe the following. Now, E exponent ln of, let's say, P, the answer is P. And also, P times E raised to P. When we take W function, the answer will be P. Now let's combine these two here. We want to bring E here, so I'll start with this one as I support this. So my next step will be ln of x times E raised to ln of x to the power minus 1 equals to ln of n. So remember this one, that's not was still with that. So this one is a power rule which will come behind here. So ln of x, and this one will be E minus ln of x equals to ln of n. Remember the rule, P times E raised to P. So always what is here must be equal to what is there. But we see negative ln of x. And this side is and this side is positive. So we need to balance it by multiplying negative on both sides. Multiply both sides by negative 1. So that will be minus ln of x times e minus ln of x equals minus ln of n. So from here, we can take W function of this times that equals to W function of that. So remember the rule. So when you take W function here, the answer will be one of them. Okay. So my answer here will be minus ln of x equals to W function of that. But we can manipulate this one since what is behind here can occupy this position. So we have ln of x to the power minus 1 equals to W function. And this one, the same thing, ln of n to the power minus 1. So we have ln of 1 over x equals to W function of ln of 1 over n. So from here, since e raised ln of something is that thing, we have no option but to raise both sides with e. So I'll raise this one with e, and I'll raise this one with e. The idea is to get rid of this here. So we have p ln of that equals the w function of ln of 1 over n. So this side will go, that will be 1 over x equals to e raised to that. So from here, my x, I will interchange this one on e raised to that 1 over n. Alright, so there is a solution making x the subject. Alright, thanks for watching.